So we are gonna build today OpenClaw WhatsApp bulk campaign agent. Here we will be providing list of phone numbers and then OpenClaw WhatsApp is going to send campaign for all these phone numbers. This is just a sample phone number which I got through AI, but obviously you will be having their real phone number. There are so many applications for this particular OpenClaw use case. For example, let's say if you are working in a company, there you get a project where you need to handle digital campaign, like all companies send emails, WhatsApp messages, and so on. So you can follow this process, which I'm going to teach today in this video, to build that campaign agent. This is how it works in OpenClaw. You send a message through the mobile to the OpenClaw. As you already know, we have already configured our Telegram and we have also configured our Discord as well. If you don't know how it is done, then you can come here at a KGP Talkie. I have there a playlist, free OpenClaw tutorial. Link for this playlist is given in the video description. Let's come back here to our implementation. So through mobile, we can trigger our OpenClaw. Thereafter, there will be an agent. That agent is going to build the campaign. Now for that campaign, you can build campaign template and media in runtime. Otherwise, if you want, you can also provide that separately. And obviously, you have to provide the list of phone numbers. This phone number I got from the Internet AI. This is just a sample phone number. Thereafter, there is a WhatsApp. I have currently logged in my WhatsApp here in the browser. Then OpenClaw is going to use that WhatsApp. Then it is going to send this campaign to all the recipients. So this is going to be a fairly simple process. I'm going to show you all the setup here. Let's get started with the setup. First of all, you need to come here. Thereafter, you need to write here OpenClaw config. Just write here. Thereafter, you need to select here local this machine. Thereafter, you need to select here channels. Then in the channels, you need to click on add or update channels. Then it is going to give you a lot of options. Here, I'm going to select WhatsApp. So it is here. So we have got here WhatsApp. Remember one thing here. If you are working with the OpenClaw and WhatsApp, then I would suggest you to keep it two different phone number, not your personal. I mean, don't attach your personal phone number here because it is going to be used for business activities. So currently I have a different number which I'm gonna attach here. So you might see that phone number, but anyway, that is not gonna work. If you try to call me, obviously I won't be receiving that because that phone number is just a spare. I just took that number today and probably after this tutorial, I'll be discarding that. Okay, so here you need to download it from ClawHub or you can download it from here, whatever you prefer. I'm going to select here the first one. All right, it is going to install WhatsApp plugin here. After installation of WhatsApp plugin, then it is going to show us the QR code. Then I'll be doing QR code scan through my WhatsApp application like you do web login. Similar to that, I'll be doing here. So here I have a QR code. Yes, show me QR code so that I can log in into WhatsApp. So this is a QR code. And now what I'm going to do here in WhatsApp, what you have to do actually, you need to go inside the setting and then you need to go inside linked devices. There you will be having device link or link device. There you need to scan this code. Let me just quickly scan this code. Seems like it is not able to scan. Ideally it should be able to scan, or this whole code is not visible. Probably because of that it is not able to scan. Let me just show the full code. Okay, so now full code is shown here. Now it is visible. Basically it is trying to log in. Okay, so login is done. Let me just rename it in my mobile that it is the OpenClaw device which is logged in. Okay, excellent. So here WhatsApp asked for restart after pairing, waiting for the credits to save, WhatsApp DM message. Now this is going to be very important. Let's go ahead and keep it in a small scale. So our login is done. Now it is not like someone can just send you WhatsApp and your OpenClaw is gonna start. So here you have to allow, like we did for our Telegram and Discord server. Similar to that, you need to allow here only specific phone numbers. So your OpenClaw will be triggered only for those specific phone numbers. That's all. So you have here so many options, like you have a pairing, you have allow list, you have open. Open means anyone can send your OpenClaw message, which obviously we don't want. We are going to use this allow list. Otherwise, you can use here a pairing where user will message phone number, basically this phone number which I have attached here. If someone message to this phone number, then OpenClaw will send a code back to that person, and then OpenClaw will ask them send this number to the administrator, then they will allow you. So I don't want this as well. I'll be going through the allow list. Here I have to write my phone number. All right, so here I need to write my personal phone number. Okay. Apart from that, I want to tell OpenClaw that this is my separate phone number which I have scanned here. So this is separate phone just for OpenClaw. Now I'm gonna use WhatsApp DM policy. Here I'm gonna use the allow list only. Basically, whatever phone number I'm gonna allow here, that will be used only here. Let's select this one. Now I need to select set allow from to specific numbers. All right, let's select this one. Thereafter, I need to write here all phone numbers which I want to allow to trigger my OpenClaw. That means if you see this block diagram, so whatever phone number you put in allow list, only that phone number will be able to trigger the OpenClaw, and no any other mobile number or no any other WhatsApp can trigger the OpenClaw. So I'm gonna allow my own personal phone number here so that I can trigger my OpenClaw. So you need to also understand here the format which is used. So it is going to be like this one, country code. Thereafter, you are going to paste your phone number. I mean, you need to write your original phone number. All right. Thereafter, I need to finish my channel selection. So I need to come here and then select finish. Now everything is done. WhatsApp works with your own phone number. Recommend a separate phone number plus eSIM, etc. etc. Everything is done here. Let's finish it. So I'm gonna do like this one. Thereafter, we need to restart our OpenClaw. So I write like this: OpenClaw gateway restart. Now if you come here, okay, so this is my WhatsApp web page currently for a business account. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to send here message from my personal account. Okay, you can see here that message is going to come. Hi is sent here. Now OpenClaw has started working on this message. As you see here, hello, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today? You see how good it is. This is really awesome. Let me just send again a different message from my mobile here. Tell me about my system health. So basically something like this you can install on your server. Let's say you are working in a company, you are working as DevOps engineer. You can install something like this on the server, and then from mobile itself you can ask about the logged files, log data, server health, and so on. So in my mobile, I can see here OpenClaw WhatsApp is typing. That symbol is coming there. In some time, it will find out the health, and thereafter it is going to reply me there. Now I have control to OpenClaw from my WhatsApp, from my Discord server, from my Telegram. This is really awesome. And everything I have done in a free of cost. I have consumed more than 10 million token, and price is $0 here. You see, this is really awesome. Let's come back here again. So my message was tell me about the system health. Seems like it is still trying to find out system health. And here is my system health summary. Currently, I'm working on this Windows machine. These are the firewall and many other stuff here. Now I'm gonna take all these phone numbers and then I'm gonna ask my OpenClaw agent to build the campaign for me. Let's go ahead and send that message to my WhatsApp here. So through my personal phone number, I'm sending this to OpenClaw WhatsApp agent. Now I can see on my personal phone number that WhatsApp is writing a message. Basically, OpenClaw WhatsApp is writing a message to me. I can see that typing icon. Yes, saved the WhatsApp user list is now in WhatsApp users.csv in the workspace. I also captured your phone number from the metadata. Let me know when you need it for your next task. Okay, cool. Thereafter, what I do here, I need to tell my OpenClaw agent that it need to send a campaign for me. Okay, so I'm gonna send a detailed message to my agent. Detailed message is going to be like this one. So you are a KGP Talkie outreach assistant, run a personalized WhatsApp campaign, positioning KGP Talkie as an AI consultant for each recipient's company. Step 1 is this one, step 2 is this one, 3 is this one, and then send message once I approve. So I can see on my personal WhatsApp that agent is working. I can see that a typing icon. Let's wait for some time. Let it finish. Draft message is written now. I can clearly see here. Now I just need to send here approved. Let's send that. I have sent here approved. Now it will start sending messages. One more thing you have to do here before it starts sending messages. What you have to do, you need to come here in OpenClaw dashboard. Then you need to click on here nodes. Then here in devices, you will be having some options like approve device pairing. You will be getting where you need to approve it. Until and unless you approve it, it is not gonna send the message. Like you see here, everything is sent here. I can see here all these message ID. Here some test numbers are also shown here. So it is sent something like this. Although these are not a real number, but it tried to send here. Okay, so this is how you can control your OpenClaw with WhatsApp, and also this is how you can send a campaign over WhatsApp with the OpenClaw. I hope you have liked this particular video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm making a lot of videos on OpenClaw and generative AI. If you need a video on any specific topic, you can write me in the comment section. I read each and every comment and I reply to them personally. Okay, bye bye. Take care.